you to Echoes of Calabar. Echoes of Calabar is a restaurant that I call my therapy. 28 years in politics, in that crazy world, and I've been in Lagos all my life from God. I put together something completely different. Is this better? Hello? Can you hear me better? Because I cannot take off this mask. Because people have been using microphone, so I can't take it out. Like to my age, I have to be very careful.
You understand?
So, Echoes of Calabar is a lovely restaurant and with very, very good kitchen. During the lockdown, I was in Calabar when Lucy came out, and I thought that since she's from the area, I should invite her and have something like this for her. And we did. We had a wonderful evening, and luckily it was easy in Calabar because I had part of my carnival grew with me, because I do the carnival. And you probably just tell you a little bit about what I do outside politics. Outside politics, I do the Calabar Carnival. I'm a band leader, and the carnival, we don't just dance on the streets. We deal with important issues in the world, and we translate and interpret those issues through dance and costume, like climate change, like slave trade, like sex trade, like sexual abuse, all those things, that we try to send messages across, but we use dance and costume to send that message. And again, the carnival, I am a product of the youth and the media and the entertainment industry. And that's why I've been able to survive. And that's what has sustained me. I'm not the typical Nigerian politician. And I'm happy that gradually Nigeria is beginning to appreciate the importance of the entertainment industry. Because I started preaching this from the days of Charlie Boy, from Tony Kroji, from Funky Malam, all those years. When we're playing, I started talking about the importance of entertainment industry. I caught some of it. I couldn't, because my days are busy till almost morning. But I caught some bits. And I know what everybody in the house did. In fact, last year, Seagull went to perform in that house. My band went to perform there, to entertain them in the house. We went there last year. So I want to thank Azuka. But Azuka said, Mommy, if you entertained the person that you now win in your hometown, you must have LAYCON in this place. So we started talking about it. And Azuka is a major slave driver. Because no, it's unbelievable. If people see what they put me through yesterday, I am 75 years of age. And they made me do photo shoot for this style. And I'm going to also accuse my daughter. They made me climb up and down. Mommy jumped out. It was easy when I did it at 60, at 70, with you. But when she said, jump this way, I jumped. But yesterday, my God, at the end of it, I'm still having problem walking. It wasn't the same, but they made me go down to the seaside. Mommy, lean on that tree. Mommy, stand like this. Now, my whole back is paining me. Azuka is not fair at all, honestly. But because